Hey guys, so can you connect and charge your drone batteries and your drone controller on a 240 watts output? Well, yes you can. I traveled all the way to Pakistan, and as you can see I had to use these type of bags. These are LiPo safe bags for the batteries, so that if in case they caught on fire on the airplane, this would be safe. Also, make sure that your charger says 100 to 240 watts or volts. And as you can see, I'm gonna connect this 240 wall charger into the controller, and it charges perfectly. I've tested it many times. I also tested the battery pack for the Mini 2 on a 240 volt. As you can see, the output is not like the regular US output, but it works. It all works fine. So it is safe to charge your drone with the 240 volts. Thank you.